In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz online in AP Central College Board, an invaluable tool for educators aiming to streamline their assessment process. Let's dive right in and explore how this platform can make your teaching experience not only more efficient, but also engaging for your students. First, let's understand what AP Classroom is. AP Classroom is an online platform provided by College Board designed to allow teachers to assign practice quizzes and progress checks while utilizing a comprehensive question bank filled with real AP questions. This is the go-to resource for AP educators seeking to offer tailored assessments that truly gauge student understanding. To get started, you'll need to log into AP Classroom. Simply visit the AP Central site at apcentralcollegeboard.org. Make sure you have a valid College Board account and have gone through the necessary steps to authorize your course via the AP Course Audit. Having this setup ensures you're recognized as an authorized AP educator, granting you access to all the platform's features. Once logged in, it's essential to set up your class and sections if you haven't already. Within AP Classroom, you can create specific class sections, like AP Physics Period 1, for instance. After setting these up, share the corresponding join codes with your students, enabling them to join the right sections effortlessly. This organizational step is crucial for managing your classroom activities effectively. Next, head to the Question Bank or Resources section. The Question Bank is a treasure trove of existing AP questions that can be searched by topic, skill, difficulty, and unit. Here, you can filter questions by standards or units, ensuring that you're selecting those most relevant to the areas you wish to assess in your learners. This flexibility allows you to craft assessments that align seamlessly with your curriculum goals. Once you've selected the appropriate questions, it's time to create your custom assessment or quiz. Within AP Classroom, choose the Create Custom Assessment or Assign Custom Assessment option from the menu. Here, you can add questions from the question bank, whether they are multiple choice or free response, depending on the content focus you aim for. Specify the parameters for the assessment, such as the number of questions, the weighting of each, the due date, and the open window during which the quiz will be available. After your quiz is crafted, assign it to your chosen class section or students. Make sure to clearly communicate the time window when the quiz is available and guide your students on how to access it. This will prevent any confusion and ensure a smooth assessment period. Finally, once your students have completed their quizzes, you can monitor and review the results. AP Classroom provides detailed reports of student responses, allowing you to analyze their performance and question level difficulty. This feedback is invaluable for understanding the strengths and weaknesses within your class, enabling you to tailor your teaching methods accordingly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating quizzes online in AP Central College Board. This intuitive platform not only saves you time, but also enhances the learning experience for your students, ensuring targeted, effective assessment every time.